late. Anyways, y'all get an opportunity, y'all need to hit it. Y'all need to hit that show. It's great. It's a great event. All kinds of people, all kinds of different people. And a good thing that I've seen that I really enjoyed was that everybody got along. We don't have to go to these gatherings and have these big old brawls and fights and stuff. We all get along and have a good time, y'all. It's cool. Sorry, y'all. I had y'all facing the road. You know, I'm sorry about that. But, it's an interesting show to see all these GM trucks out there every year you can think of. I see some stuff out there that I've never really seen anywhere else. So it's kind of cool to see that. But one thing I do want to hit on is I have to up my game, but I got to do it on a budget. That's a key thing. I got to do mine on a budget. Oh man, that was a little something on the road I ran over. I think I'll be all right though. Yeah, we're all good. So yeah, y'all need to hit that show whenever y'all get a chance. They usually have it. They have it every year. We were really fortunate that we got to have it this year with all this mess going on. So as far as that, one of my main objectives for me going was, other than seeing all these beautiful trucks, was to see how other people have incorporated their LS swaps into these older trucks, and me into these OBSs. And I've seen a lot of things. I've seen some ones that were just thrown together, and sitting down the road. I've seen some that were just meticulously just thought of every step prior to getting there. And that's a good example of project managing. When you're project managing, you want to see the outcome at the very end, but you plan for every step before you get to that step. And that was part of my doing today, was I wanted to see so I could plan for that next step. Got a lot of good information today, so that was definitely a useful trip for me. Let's see, what else can I touch on? I have made my mind 110% that I am going to go with I'm going to announce it. I'm going to go with the Holley Terminator X Max system. I'm there 110%. Just the whole thing about it. I don't know if y'all see my videos prior to this, but I got a 2001 LQ that I'm going to put in this truck. And that wiring harness, I got the wiring harness, computer, I got everything with it. But that wiring harness is from 2001. Some of the connectors are dry rotted, and I want a good solid connection. So with a good solid connection, new wiring harness, new connectors, new PCM, self-learning, for about $1,300. It's high. A lot cheaper than what I paid to get my Mustang tuned with an old wiring harness. And that's a big factor for me. I don't know all those magical numbers, so that's gonna save me a couple dollars in the long run. think eventually would I want to take it to a tune shop? Yes. I want to be able to maximize my efficiency. I want to maximize my horsepower, my torque, and that's my number one goal, is to maximize my horsepower and torque. I want to have good fuel economy as well, but that's my goal. So with that being said, that's why I'm going with the Holley Terminator X Max. So I've already talked to Holley just to make sure that my setup that I have, it's going to work just fine. I will have the opportunity to go to drive-by-wire if I want to, by just adding that harness. I don't think that I ever will, but I'll have the opportunity if that arises to come in the future. I'm trying to get this in here and running as economical, dollar feasible as possible, because we all know, y'all can be, I'm the man of my house and all that bullshit, but you know what, I love to have me a happy home, and my honey who takes care of the house, she may be the queen of our home, but without her, I probably wouldn't have half the stuff that I have. So I got to talk to her about it. She was okay with me buying the engine and all this stuff. She was okay with me buying a way newer truck and having a truck. No, I didn't want to go down that road. I love my truck. Originally, I was set out to buy a Trailblazer SS, but I had this truck at the time, and I'm like, I like my truck. I really do like my truck. I just want that LS power. Well, you know what? I said, hell with that Trailblazer. I'm gonna get me a damn LS for my truck. I'll knock it out. So far, I'm in the green. I am in the green, y'all. Just because the money that I have saved by me doing the work on the engine and putting it in this truck and not buying a newer truck. So with that, I think we'll be okay, y'all. It's got a couple little bumps, bruises, scratches on the truck. We can always get that taken care of. It's one thing at a time. And the next thing on the list right now is to get this engine in this truck. By all means, we're gonna get that engine in this truck. And if I end up in the grave after the first year, I guarantee you, before I die, that engine won't be in this truck. And I really wanted to have it in by September to make the Holley LS Fest. We'll see. I don't see me making that date, which is okay. Because in my mind, I always said I want to have it by the first of the year. So I'll have it hopefully by then, and God willing, it'll happen. And that'll have me ready for the Southeastern Truck National Show for next year, and it'll have me ready for the Holley LS Fest. And by then, I'll have all the bugs worked out, if there is any, which I'm sure there will be. Every project is. And I don't know, we might do a little bit of road course or a little racing. We'll see. But I want to be ready. I don't have that little bit of time to do a couple extra things that I want to do. So with that being said, y'all, thank you for tuning in. Y'all be one thing I'm gonna start saying in all my videos if I don't forget. I want everybody to do something for somebody else. I'm not gonna tell you every day. No crap. I'm not gonna tell you every day, but I'm not gonna tell you not to do it. You need to do something for somebody else, and don't look at their nationality, don't look at their political views, just do it. I'm not gonna tell you how to do it, when to do it. You'll know what you think is right. That, y'all, bless you guys. Lord will bring lots of things into your future. Be sweet, be kind, and love one another. Peace.